can't believe this actually worked. This is slime made from a real pumpkin. Okay, this is some good slime. This is so satisfying. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some DIY Halloween slimes. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and one of the slimes actually involves a real pumpkin. Slime accounts are shaking right now. I found this recipe on Pinterest, but I will be sure to link the recipe. I'll be able I can't talk. So I'll link that below in case you guys want to go check it out. Yeah, I'm awkward. Today's notification shout out goes to this person. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on my notifications, and I am aware that I'm wearing the same hair and outfit as my last video, but I'm filming these intros and outros on the same day, so that's why. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. What was that? All you're going to need is clear glue, contact lens solution, baking soda. I like using this method the best. I don't really like using borax or liquid starch, but if this doesn't work, I will try liquid starch. And lastly, you will need the guts from a pumpkin, of course. So first you're going to empty First you're going to empty a bottle of clear Elmer's glue into a bowl. At Walmart, they actually had a ton of clear Elmer's glue, and it was less than $2. I was shook because usually it's way more than that. I'm just going to place some of this in here. I'm just gonna do that for now. Should I mix it up? I don't know, I guess. Hopefully this works. You know what, guys? I'm gonna be positive. This will work the first time. Don't bet on it, but hopefully it works. So now I'm gonna take my baking soda. I added about half a teaspoon. Now I'm gonna add some contact lens solution. Sorry that my hand's in the way. Guys, is it working? I'll be shook if it works. So we're going to add more contact lens solution. Let's just add a lot, honestly. Like, can you add too much to this? Probably. Also, guys, let me know in the comments if you like voiceover videos better, or videos like this where I'm like talking to the camera. Well, talking to you guys, but like talking in the video. Or do you like a voiceover better? I don't know. I like this better just because, I don't know, you get like my live reaction, I guess, to the slime. I'm gonna add more contact lens solution. Should I add more baking soda? Honestly, the more the merrier, right? How did I get contact lens solution all over my table? Okay. The more I mix, see, it's like becoming slime. Slime accounts are shook right now. They're quaking. They're on a stretcher. I'm kidding. They're actually doing just fine, and they're probably laughing at the fact that I don't know how to make slime. Gonna add like the whole bottle. Just kidding, don't do that. Wait, I think it's working. One of you guys Snapchatted me and told me that you think I'm funny. Like, oh my, sorry. Thank you so much for that. Like, I'm not even kidding. Someone was like, I like how you incorporate comedy into your DIYs. Like, thank you. I don't think I'm that funny, but you guys are seriously my world. You're my kids. Because I'm older than most of you. I'm actually 18, not 12, so just wanted to clear that up. I think this worked. I added a lot more contact lens solution, as you guys saw. She is ready. Okay. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this actually worked. This is slime made from a real pumpkin, and it still smells like the real pumpkin. None of the slimes in this video are edible. I sound like a mom, but seriously, don't eat this. It's not edible, so just wanted to make that clear. Will it do the slime swirl? It like kind of did it, but it's just super sticky. If you don't want it so sticky, you can add even more contact lens solution. It even does the slime ASMR, like the, you know what I mean, the slime poking thing. I don't know. I don't know slime terminology. By the way, they say on Pinterest in the recipe directions, they said to keep this in the refrigerator because it is using like a food product, like pumpkin, but it's not edible. I just want to make that clear. For this, all you're going to need is green paint, clear Elmer's glue, like the last slime, and you can use whatever way you like to activate slime. Wow, I really got pumpkin on the end of this. I'm just going to be using baking soda once again and contact lens solution. First, we are going to start by emptying a full bottle of Elmer's glue once again into a bowl. Look at those bubbles. What? Alright, once you have done that, you are going to add some green paint. I really don't know how much green paint to add. Like, is that good? I don't know. Now we're going to mix it all together and you get the... Okay, I'm not gonna sing. I know it's just Nick says that in like all his slime videos, like we're gonna mix it all together. But no, seriously, Hannah Montana was my childhood, like my favorite show. So now we're going to add some baking soda. Okay, I think that might be enough. Now I'm just going to mix that together. We're going to add the contact lens solution. Ooh, yes, it's already coming together. Let's add some more. So basically you're just going to add, I mean, if you've never watched a slime video before, then I guess you wouldn't know this, but I'm sure a lot of you guys have watched slime videos where people use contact lens solution. But if you haven't, you're just going to keep adding contact lens solution until it's not so sticky. Alright, this should be good. Ooh, yes, she is ready. Okay, this is some good slime. Very smooth. It's still clear since I use clear glue. Just a tip, if you're using paper as your background, don't put slime on it because it will stick. All you're going to need is a glow-in-the-dark paint, and I just got this from Walmart. You also need Elmer's glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. So first I'm going to start by pouring some Elmer's glue into a bowl. I don't really know how much I should do. I think that's good. So now I'm going to add the glow-in-the-dark paint. Hopefully that's good. I'm just going to stir this together. Now we're going to activate this, so I'm going to add my baking soda. You guys know the drill by now. It's already coming together. I honestly feel like this is the easiest way to activate slime. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. I don't think I've said that in this video yet. That is a record. The real test is to see if this glows in the dark. It should. I don't have a special light to show you guys if it glows in the dark, so I'm sorry, but I will let you guys know. Okay guys, I'm back and it actually does glow in the dark. I think that's so cool. Hopefully every glow in the dark paint works. I know this one does. I got it from Walmart. It's by the Folk Art brand. So the last slime that I'm going to be making is a pumpkin scented slime. So it is another pumpkin slime, but it's a little bit different because this time we're not actually using a real pumpkin. So all you're going to need is glue, and I just have this huge gallon that I used for the last slime as well. You will also need activator, of course, and you will also need paint. I actually already had this paint. It's called Pumpkin Orange. I didn't have to buy it for this video, but I thought that was really funny because I don't know, it's just like a coincidence, I guess. You will also need pumpkin pie spice. My mom just had this in her cupboard, so I'm just using a little bit of this to scent the slime. First, we are going to take our bowl and just place some glue in there. Next, I'm going to add some paint. Okay. I kind of added a lot of paint. Next, we are going to add the pumpkin pie spice. Okay, hopefully that's enough. I can't really smell it anymore. I would just say to get like a pumpkin scented essential oil because that would probably work a lot better than this. I'm going to add some baking soda and activate this slime. And now I'm going to add the contact lens solution. This will still make a good slime, but the whole point of it was for the pumpkin pie spice to scent the slime, but that's not really working out. Ooh, yes! It's working! So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY Halloween slime video. Please leave video requests below because I need some video ideas, guys. I upload every Tuesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 6